Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Today I am gonna show you Andhra style instant garam masala recipe with perfect measurements, which is the most important ingredient for all our tasty vegetarian and non-vegetarian curries. So let's get started. Friends, this instant garam masala provides best taste to most of the curries. You can make this masala and store it fresh for more than 6 months without any refrigeration. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share your valuable feedback with me after trying this recipe. Also subscribe and share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you.